Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to add product dimensions in Shopify for shipping. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First off, you'll start by navigating to Shopify's website. Once you're there, you'll need to log in to your Shopify admin panel. After logging in, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of your screen where you'll find the Settings option. Click on that and it will open up a menu on the right-hand side with various configuration options for your Shopify store. From the list that appears, locate and click on Shipping and Delivery. This section handles everything related to how your products are shipped to customers, including shipping rates, delivery methods, and package sizes. Next, scroll down to the Saved Packages section. Here, you'll add a new package by clicking on the Add Package button. This feature is vital because it lets Shopify know what kind of packaging you typically use, which helps calculate accurate shipping rates. When you add a package, a form will appear asking for a package name, package type, dimensions, and weight. Enter all details carefully. The dimensions should reflect the actual size of your packages, including length, width, and height. Providing accurate dimensions ensures that the shipping rates shown at checkout are as precise as possible. Once everything is filled out, click Add Package to save your new settings. Let's touch on dimensional weight, an important concept in e-commerce shipping. Shopify calculates dimensional weight when the total volume of a package, measured by multiplying length times width times height, exceeds 1 cubic foot or 1,728 cubic inches. If dimensional weight is greater than the actual weight, shipping charges are based on the dimensional weight instead. This ensures accurate billing, as carriers often charge more for bulky but lightweight packages. And that's it. So that is how you can add product dimensions in Shopify for shipping. So that's all for this video. Thanks.